Love Cheryl Porter. She's amazing, amazing vocal coach, cool exercises, fun exercises. But I want to kind of demystify, right? Especially for people out there that are like, what's happening here? You know, they're trying to do it, but it's sloppy and it's not really clear. So first and foremost, what is happening in this exercise? It is 5-note scale going up, down, up, down. So it's going... Now, there's a lot of good speed behind that. So we want to kind of build our way, because sometimes in the beginning, people can kind of feel like, ooh, can be a little hard. People tend to, right? It's just hard to hold up to. So if you can go, okay, great, 5 notes up, 5 notes down, that's what's happening. The other thing we're working with is different vowels, different shapes in the mouth. So, Jillian, can you help me out with this? We're doing E. A, I, O, ooh. So we're gonna start a little slower, right? We're gonna do not bad, but you need more energy behind that. Especially as we're going up, right? So just try the 5 notes. Nope, sorry, I cut you off, right? So just stop there, right? Oh, you were good. I was good. Yeah, that was a lot better there. But even if you need to, say someone out there needs to just do there we go. Oh, but on that, we're doing A. A little more, right? Yep. Yeah, and you got a little vibrato coming in there. Tends to show lack of support in the diaphragm there. Mm-hmm. So either you need to give a little bit more push. Let me see a nice breath in. Ooh, watch that going into the shoulders. Yeah, and so combination happening here. We need a little more support, but I'm do this from good. Better there. See how that vibrato wasn't so unstable? That's a huge indicator something's off there. Good. So breaking it down that way can help so much.